thinking of studying abroad in 2026? But let me put on some light on something that people often overlook, and that is your return on investment or ROI. I know it sounds super technical, but let me tell you, it's absolutely important, especially if you're taking an education loan. Because if you're borrowing your funds for your degree, it's not just about the money, it's about your financial commitment towards the future. Now, the actual question is, what is exactly ROI? So, ROI is basically if I invest all of this money in my tuition fees, in my living expenses, and my loan interest, how much will it actually pay me off? So, in other words, it basically means how much of what you invest compared to what you'll get post your graduation. So, there are different factors which actually impact this. Let me list them down for you. For starters, the course and the university you choose. Top ranked program can open doors to better jobs and higher salaries. Then there's the total cost, that is your tuition, your accommodation, your food, travel, visa fees. It all adds up. Your earning potential after graduation matters too. What's the job market like in the country you're going to? What kind of salaries can you expect? And don't forget loan terms, interest rates, repayment flexibility, and even currency fluctuations. These can really change the game. So how do I figure out ROI? Here's a quick and simple way. Take your expected annual income, subtract your annual loan repayment, then divide that by your total investment. Let me give you an example. Let's say you spend 50 lakh in total. You expect to earn rupees 20 lakh a year, and your annual loan repayment is rupees 5. So 20 minus 5 is 15. You divide that by 50 and you get 0.3 or 30%. That means you will be earning back 30% of your investment every year. Of course, this is just a rough estimate and doesn't include taxes, inflation, or salary. But here's the thing, ROI isn't just about numbers. Ask yourself, will your income cover your expenses and loan repayments? Do your loan terms give you the breathing room? Guys, hear me out. ROI is not just about numbers. You need to ask yourself that will your income cover all your expenses and your loan repayments? Does your loan term actually give you that breathing space? And it's not only about the financial stuff, it's about the non-financial stuff like your networking, your international exposure. So all of this matters too. Also, you need to ensure that the job opportunities in your field are realistic for international graduates. Finally, studying abroad is a huge decision. You have to balance between the financial returns as well as your personal and professional growth. So, think it through. Take your time, while Credila waits right here for you with flexible repayment options and a lot of advantages which will make your task a lot easier. For more information, go to www.credila.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media platforms.